The Section 609 letter of the Fair Credit Reporting Act states to the Credit Bureau that if they do not have the wet ink contract with my signature that I signed with child support, which doesn't exist, they have to remove it off my credit report or somebody's getting sued. Well, in my case with the child support, after getting the escalation letter, the Credit Bureau did their investigation. Experian came back and said, okay, you're right. It's been on your report for 28 years. It's coming off. They took it off, and then child support immediately saw that and put it right back on my credit report. Can you believe that? So now I have to send another escalation letter. But this time I'm going to send what's called a 609, Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Guess who's getting sued if they don't remove it this time? Experian.